In front of me is NOKIA C31, and today I would like to show you how you can add event to calendar on this NOKIA. You need to start by locating calendar app. When you find it, click on it. Now tap on the month above and pick a date. When you're ready, you can tap over here twice to create your event, or select this plus icon at the bottom right corner. Then choose event from the list. Over here, adjust it however you wish to. At the top, you can add a title. Click on Event section and tap on one of those options, in my case Events. Pick starting hour and ending one. If you don't want to do that, you can always click on this switcher next to All Day. If your event takes more than 1 day, you can set up ending date. Then save your changes by choosing OK in the pop-up. Now click on Does Not Repeat and select one of those options if you want your event to repeat like every year. You can also tap on Custom and manage it however you wish to. Then click on Done at the top right corner. Then add people, videos, and even choose Add Location. Now you need to select while using the app or only this time. Type in an address and click on the correct result. In order to add video conferencing, click on this feature above location and set up Google Meet. Now scroll down, choose Add Notification and set up notifications minutes, hours or weeks before your event. You can also tap on Custom and adjust it. Then select Done at the bottom right corner. Finally, pick color of your event, take some notes, add attachments and choose Save at the top right corner. As you can see, my event was successfully created. If you want to make some changes, just click on it, tap on this pen icon at the top right corner and change whatever you wish to. In order to discard those changes, tap on this X at the top left corner, and in order to save them, click on Save at the top right one. Then pick the best option for you and choose Save in the pop-up. In order to get rid of it though, click on it again, but this time select those 3 dots at the top right corner, choose Delete option at the top, tap on one of those options, in my case this and following events, and choose Delete in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!